Cisco Kenna API, pull audit logs for a specific time range. So let's check this out. This is the API documentation, tells you everything you need to know. With audit logs, you can come in, it's actually start and end date and dumps it as a compressed gzip file. And then you can extract that and view it in JSON if you choose. We could do a test right here in the web GUI. We put in the start date, put in the end date, and we go ahead and click try it. All we have to do is add our token. You can see a partial piece of the token there, and it gives us a response. And now remember, it's a zip file, so you don't see any data. So we've got all kinds of languages: Shell, Node, Ruby, PHP, Python, C#, PowerShell, you name it. And it automatically converts it over. Now I've created this script. I've got a start time and end time that I prompt the user to enter. I create a file name based on that start date and end date. And then I use the API key that's in a secured location. I then let them know that we're about to pull the file down based on your start date and end date. Now we make the request. We have the variable start date, end date, which is required, our API key, and our output and our file name. We then open it up with Zcat and we parse it in the JSON format. So let's give it a try. We'll go ahead and run the script, put in our start date, put in our end date, and hit the magic key, enter. And here we go. It's pulling down that data for that time range. Now you can do all kinds of stuff. You can parse it to look for specific audit events that might have taken place, and there's a series of all kinds of things that are audited. Now I'm not showing you any of my audit logs, but here we'll clean it up a little bit. I'll get rid of the user email, but you can see an audit log. Its source was website. It was get. What was it? There's the URL. There's the IP address. Again, we mask that, and then the Kenna user ID and Kenna email request activity. Anyways, pretty neat and easy to do to pull audit logs. And you can just store them or feed them into another platform. Pretty neat.